Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Recently, I've been seeing this popular hacking method everywhere. People claiming that they can get unlimited diamonds in lands of jail using just your phone. No computer, no special software, nothing advanced. So I decided to test it myself and see what actually happens. Here's the full breakdown of my experience. The first thing this method asks for is your player ID. You can find it inside Lands of Jail profile or sometimes in the settings menu. I grabbed mine right away so I could use it in the next step, quick and straightforward. After that, I opened the browser on my phone. I used Chrome, but anything works, and I headed to the site people keep mentioning. I searched for Lands of Jail hack and tapped the option related to unlimited diamonds. The page loaded smoothly with no strange pop-ups or unexpected redirects, which definitely made me curious to see where this was going. Once I got to the hack page, I picked my platform. I'm on Android, but iOS was listed too, and pasted my player ID. After double-checking everything, I hit Connect. The site started a connection process right away, showing a quick loading animation and some syncing messages. No errors or freezing on my end. Next was choosing the amount of resources. I selected a moderate amount just to test how the process worked. After pressing Generate, the system went through a series of progress bars and status messages. Honestly, it all looked surprisingly clean and organized. Before finishing, the tool asked for a short verification step, basically installing and opening a free app from the official App Store. If you don't know what to do, don't worry. There's a step-by-step guide on the website that will walk you through the entire process. I already finished it earlier, so let's not waste time and jump to the test results. To confirm if it worked, I reopened Lands of Jail and checked my Lands of Jail balance. No waiting, no extra steps, it updated instantly on my device. I was honestly surprised by how smoothly the whole test ran. So in my test, the method worked. It was quick, easy to follow, and entirely done on mobile. Just make sure you follow each step carefully and pay attention to the instructions. If this breakdown helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe for more honest tests like this one. And if you've tried the method yourself, let me know your experience in the comments. I read every single one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.